देखो जी देखो, सुनो ये बात, जीवन में एक बार आना सिंगापुर.
Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook chicken paneer pasta. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
We'll start this recipe by preparing our ingredients, and we'll start with paneer first. And this is about 350 grams of paneer. We'll be using about 250 grams, and I'll start cutting them into small cubes. I've taken the paneer out of the package and I'll start cutting the cubes. I'll take 4 slabs from here and cut them into smaller cubes. This is the size of the cube I'm cutting. These are about 1/2 inch cubes, and I'll put it in the bowl. These are 2 breasts of chicken. I put some salt, pepper and lemon juice in this, and it's been sitting for an hour or so. I'll cut this chicken into small pieces. Second breast. These are the cut pieces of chicken. Next, I'll be cutting a bunch of spinach. I'm going to take the stems out. Mostly I'll be using the leaves. Don't have to cut too small. This looks like good size. That's the spinach. I'll cut the onion next. I'll cut one side of the onion. Rest it this way and then go half and half. And peel the skin. Leave this stove on when you're cutting onion. Now the best way to cut or chop onion is to go and slice. Okay. And then we go crossward and cut the size you want, small, large you can do, and keep on cutting and go all the way till the end. This thing holds the onion together till the time you go to the end. So onion is done. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to slice them thin. This is the sliced garlic. This is about 5 cups of water. I'm going to put it to boil on very high heat. Once the water starts boiling, we'll put pasta in it. Alongside the preparation of pasta, we'll get the other ingredients going. I'll start with heating up the oil on high heat. This is 1/2 cup of oil. Oil is now hot, and I'm going to start by cooking the onion. Okay. Keep stirring the onion till the time you see it's getting brown. Now I can smell the burning of the onion, so I'll start putting my garlic in it. Keep it for about 1/2 minute. I can now smell the roasting of garlic. It's time to put the chicken in. Keep stirring the chicken for about 2 or 3 minutes. You'll see the chicken changes its color. It starts cooking. This is 1 cup of tomato puree. 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of hot mustard, now I'm going to change the temperature to medium. Blend it well, cover it up, cook it for 5 minutes. The water has started to boil and we have 2 mugs of pasta, and I'll start boiling this pasta. This will cook for 12 to 15 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now and I'm going to take the lid off. You can see the chicken was cooking in the juices here. We'll start adding the dry spices. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. So now we blend it properly. All the taste is being infused now in the sauce. At this point we'll put the spinach in. Spinach looks too much, but when it's cooked it will become smaller in volume. It smells good too. I'll add some water because this looks a little bit dry. Not too much water, just to remove the dryness here. And this allows the spinach to cook. We'll cook this for about another 5 minutes. This is on medium heat now. So I'm going to check the pasta now. It looks like it's cooking, it's getting fluffier, but I think we have to cook it for a few more minutes and then I'll test it out. Okay, it's time to add paneer here. Paneer is now in, and I'm going to reduce the temperature to minimum. Stir it well. After we added the spinach, we cooked it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now we added the paneer. I'll keep it on low heat for about 5 more minutes and I'll cover it with the lid. The pasta looks like it's ready and I'm going to take out one piece and try it. It's done. So I'm going to shut the water. It's about 5 minutes and I'm going to open the lid. Next, we are going to strain this pasta. And mix it with the sauce. The sauce and pasta, they are both cooked. All I'm going to do is mix them up. And I'm going to shut this heat. Next, I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. It's about half a cup of cheese. Smells good. This is our finished pasta. Now I'll take out the pasta in the plate. Now I'll put some mozzarella cheese on top. This is our finished chicken paneer pasta, ready to eat.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so and hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember, share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Okay, now it's time for the taste test, and as usual we will start with Mom and then we'll go after her. So Dad, do the honors please. Looks like she likes it, she's eating it up. Go ahead, Dad.
It's my turn.
Take chicken and paneer in the same bite.
Paneer has turned out soft too, just like chicken.
chicken is so soft and the paneer is so soft, and the taste of it is literally like a Indian flavored pasta. That's the best way I can describe it. It has a really strong Indian taste and you're eating pasta, which is amazing. There we go. Yep. Approved. Yeah, she took the second bite. That's official. Let's keep going. The pasta, the spinach, everything blends together so well. You really got to try this at your own place.
This is my new recipe of chicken paneer pasta. Try it at home.